everybody. Thank you, Ajuma! No.
Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no. Hey, no, no, no.
Everybody, it is a new day here in Tagaytay, Philippines. We are waiting. And we are going to Serene. Where else would you go? Palagi nilang Serene. I think that's all they will see. This vlog should be 5 days in Serene. Parang ganun. Yo. 1, 2. German Turco Latte Cake. Komen. Everybody, it's a new day here in Tagaytay, Philippines. And look who's back! It's Ate Maika!
Hindi ako tinuruan ng magulang ko na humindi.
We are here. Yeah, we're just gonna go to the mall, to Serene. Again, pop. Half hour later, we are still here on the compound because when you go with the group, especially the Ajuma here, nasan na ba siya? Ajuma! There, that's the Ajuma. Because of her. But then we thought she's the last one, but no, Bench is the last one. It's more fun in the Philippines.
We're at Blizzard. We're at Dairy Queen. I'm like, we're at Blizzard what? And everyone said, thank you, Ajuma! Okay.
Ako ay anak ng Diyos, ito ay totoo. Ako naman ang ito, malangin pa lang nakakapigil sa dakilang pag-ibig mo sa akin. This is my desire to honor you. Lord, I give you my heart, I give you my soul, I live for you. Zoe, are you gonna go to the wedding, yes or no? So, in other words, when I come, I am not obliged to bring you any pasalubong. Is that correct? You're not going to the wedding eh?
So, no pasalubong.
No pasalubong anymore? No more? Okay, sabi mo, naka-record yan.
I'm even gonna ask him to my friend.
I am the one, your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street.
This is on camera. I will send it to you when you're 10 years old.
No.
14? Sige, pwede rin. When we have cute children, will you come and visit? Will you take care of our children? Will you love our children like the way you love Mateo, Barnabas? So you're not coming to the wedding? Are you sure? Are you sure? Ah, you don't know. Tell Tita Deb in this video, will you go or not?
I don't know kung si Tita Deb.
Zoe, you said yes, right?
Yes, na eh.
Yay! Thank you.
No battery.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get respect.
Oh, zombie flash.
Bowling today.
See, Deborah, this is for you. We did. Nice teaching. Hello, everybody. If you don't know who am I am let me see. And I am going to be his brother-in-law soon. Yep. So please subscribe to his video. But subscribe. Please subscribe. We need to win. Team David Polio. Team David Polio. We need to win because this is right. This friend. Okay, and Mama and Morris.
120, sorry, hindi mo sinasadya.
I didn't mean to be high score and to win.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be. See you soon!